Hello students, so continuing with first video, here we are going to discuss composition of matter. In first video, we discussed about intermolecular space, intermolecular force of attraction, then change in states of matter. Now next we are going to discuss composition of matter. And matter can be broadly classified into two categories. One is the mixture and other is the pure substance. So mixture contains elements or molecules in any composition. They don't have fixed composition. For example, air is mixture in which different gases, different components are present. But here in this chapter, the matter of concern is about pure substances. Pure substances contains elements or compounds. So elements and compounds are the pure substances because they contain atoms of same element or atoms of different elements. Now element is the part of the matter which cannot be further splitted if by chemical means, and atom is the smallest unit of an element that take part in chemical combination. So what element is comprising of? Element is comprising of atoms. On the other hand, compounds. Compound contains atoms of different element. For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a compound and it contains two different elements. One is carbon and other is oxygen. Similarly, water. Water is also a compound as it contains two different elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Then next is what is molecule. Now molecule may be of an element or of a compound. If a molecule contains atoms of same element, if molecule contains atoms of same element, then it is termed as element. For example, nitrogen N2. It is containing atoms of same element, that is nitrogen is containing two atoms of nitrogen and N2 represents what? Nitrogen molecule, one molecule of nitrogen. And molecule may contain atoms of different elements, and when molecule contains atoms of different element, then it is termed as compound. Then it is termed as compound. For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide contains two types of atoms. One is of carbon element and other is of oxygen element. So we can easily classify matter on the basis of composition into two categories. One is mixture and other is pure substances. And pure substances are further classified into two categories, that is compounds and elements. Elements contain atoms of same element, whereas compounds contain atoms of different element. Now what is the difference between molecule and atom? Atom is the smallest entity of an element which take part in chemical reaction, whereas molecule is the entity of a compound, smallest entity of a compound which take part in a chemical reaction. So students, it might be clear to you how matter can be classified on the basis of composition. So, thank you friends.